Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at some of the key features of the Hammer Solo Pro True Wireless Earbuds. The Hammer Solo Pro comes with a 400 mAh charging case and a 40 mAh earphones. This provides 3.4 hours of playback time, which can be extended to 15 hours with the charging case, and a total of 300 hours of standby time. The Hammer Solo Pro carries 10mm audio drivers in each earbuds. It also carries 4 built-in mics. These are half in-ear earbuds. They are IPX5 water resistant and are good for indoor and outdoor activities. Finally, the Hammer Solo Pro supports Bluetooth 5.0 and it can connect over 10 meters. And those were some of the key features of the Hammer Solo Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.